Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about the last point of record level security. That is how we can share records manually. So today we will talk about what is manual sharing in Salesforce security. So let's see. Manual sharing in Salesforce is a feature that allows users to share records with individuals or group when standard setting don't apply. In simple words, we can say if you want to share a particular record to a particular user, then you can do this with the help of manual sharing. Right? It allows owner of particular record to share them with another user. Means who is the owner of the record that can decide to whom he want to share his record or her record. Right? So we can share a record without changing the role hierarchy or other permissions. Right? It applies only if OWD settings is private or public read only. If it is already public read write, then no need to do the manual sharing. Okay, so manual sharing is not automated like OWD role hierarchy or the sharing rule. Right, it is not apply automatically. One by one we can share the record to the particular user or the group of the user. Okay, so it can be useful in some situation where you manually want to share a record with another user, right? So how we can do this practically? Let's see. Come to our Salesforce org. In quick find box, type sharing setting here, click here, click in OWD settings, click on edit button. If I will scroll down, so here you can see there is option available, manual user record sharing. To do manual sharing, I need to check this checkbox, right? Just check this checkbox and click on save button. So after checking this checkbox, I can share my record, or one user can share his record manually with another one, right? Now come to our setup, open my application so I can show you how we can share a record manually, right? So before doing this, let me show you in which object I have private or read only setting, OW setting. This is a writer, so it is private. I can do manual sharing of my records on this object, right? Now come to our application, come to our object writer. So in this I want to share this new record manually, right? Just click on this record, click on this drop down arrow, click on sharing option. Here you can share with group of users, individual users, right? It is taking time, so I have active user is as a Rakesh, so I can type it, select this Rakesh, so I can share this record, new record with this user, right? What should be the access level? It should be the read only, or it can be read write. So for now I'm just keeping is a read only, but as per your record requirement you can choose read write also, right? Just click on save button. So record has been shared, right? How we can check? Come to our setup, open our user, in quick find box type user, click on users option, login from my active user account, that is Rakesh Kumar. Just login, and if I will open this writer object, so here you can see this record has been shared here, right? If I, because I have shared this in read only mode, so I cannot delete this record, right? So in this way we can share our records manually as per our requirements, right? So that is about the manual sharing, how we can use this manual sharing in the Salesforce security to share our record. So thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get the notification about the new videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.